Wind power is a big deal, environmentally, economically, and visually. The industry surrounding wind energy, however, is just now taking off, and like many other industries, wind power requires large, precision machine components. For this reason, there are several organizations that, while not solely dedicated to wind, are utilizing their unique experience and expertise to serve and help push the demands on wind.
Bley LLC is a precision manufacturer in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. We machine medium to large-sized components used in various industries.
We machine a couple different parts for the wind turbine. One is the planet carrier, machined over here on a horizontal milling machine. The other part, machined also on a horizontal milling machine, is the torque arm. And both parts are machined to very precise tolerances, and both must be monitored by our coordinate measure machine, or commonly called the CMM.
3 years ago, we began machining torque arms for one of our customers. Later, we added the planet carrier, and we also machined gearbox housings.
Bley's journeymen and engineers bring years of experience to the table. These men and women are proficient in the technical skills that are necessary for manufacturing super accurate large parts. Their practical machining experience, as well as thorough understanding of physics, mathematics, and chemistry, are required to ensure success in making the components.
We can trace our history back to 1923 when Otto Bley founded OK Bley in Germany. His son Eric Bley learned the machining trade there and then came to America and founded Bley in 1966.
Manufacturing requires a highly skilled workforce, where workers need to have imagination, mathematical, and mechanical skills. It's a great industry for people to get into, especially if they like to work with their hands, use their minds, and work with state-of-the-art equipment.
Contrary to popular belief, wind power maintains a vast and comprehensive industrial atmosphere that utilizes some of the most innovative technology today. These organizations are trying to power a nation and reduce our dependence on fossil fuels.
To manufacture wind energy parts, we use state-of-the-art, high-precision milling and turning machines to shape the raw material into a finished product. The mills are horizontal, called boring mills, and the lathes are vertical, called vechiles. Both machines are computer-controlled, where the cuts and speeds are determined by a computer program. Once the part is machined, we inspect the parts in a coordinate measuring machine called the CMM.
Each component included in a turbine is carefully engineered to perfection. The smallest mistake can be very costly.
It's hard to say what the most common mistakes are, but as far as we're concerned, it would be for us to machine the parts to the wrong dimension. This is why the process is fully defined and debugged before we go into full production. And even then, the parts are constantly monitored on our CMM machine.
We're proud to be a part of the wind industry and a member of AWEA, the American Wind Energy Association, who supports and promotes wind energy. We've grown a part of our business to become a leader in wind energy and plan to add capacity to meet the growing demands for alternative energy.
Wind energy powers roughly 4.5 million households and provides for 1% of America's energy demands. In 15 years, it is estimated that wind will expand to give the United States 20% of its need for energy. The bottom line is new jobs, renewable energy, and less dependence on fossil fuels. Bley is just one example of thousands on how wind power is truly a win-win industry.